Hello, guys. Hope you guys are doing very well. Welcome to Train Tribe 699. I know this was a bad dump, and this is my first video after this dump. Actually, I was busy and I was also shattered because I lost a lot of money during this dump. I was long, but I told you guys that I'm bullish. I am still bullish, but at that moment, I lost. I was in trade that day. I was already in a trade, and my stop loss was not hit and I got liquidated on multiple trades. Well, that's the part of the game. That's what I signed up for. Uh, no worries. We will look into the future. That was manipulated dump, and as you already know, the multiple traders they have lost their lives during this dump. This is sad news. This is not good, and what should I say? But still, we are in crypto and we have to face these type of terms. Let's get back to the video and start our analysis, and I will let you guys know uh, what's the scenario, current scenario for BTC and the other altcoins. Let's start with the BTC. As you can see, last day we seen some slight pullback, and now the prices are stabling below 50 EMA. Well, this point is very uh, crucial and critical for the price of BTC, because if BTC loses this support, that is 108,000, in that scenario we're gonna see a big dump in the price of BTC. It can go up to like 100K very easily. But there is one bullish scenario which I want to discuss. If BTC holds this level, as you can see that all the liquidity is already taken from most of the coins. As you can see from the SUI, it dumped all back towards 0.56. Solana, it dumped to like 142. If we talk about Ethereum, it dumped up to a very exact line. This was the line I was talking about, exact that point, and dumped up to 3310. Yeah, 3400. So now, what could be the next scenario? Well, I have I've done a lot of research, and I saw previous cycles. I have seen the chart very deeply and came to realize that whenever there is such type of dumps like this, you can see here, you can see here, price stabilize, go sideways, liquidate all the shorts, and then moves back. If you see, let me show you on the BTC chart. Uh, we had the same scenario in 2024. BTC price dumped to 92K. This was a huge dump. As you can see from the top to the bottom, if we calculate, it's almost like 14% dump. And after that, price goes sideways, dumped again, and then made a all-time high. So we can relate the same situation right now. We get the dump, we are going sideways. Maybe we stabilize the price at these levels. There is a lot of support at 110 to 1.8. There's a lot of support here. So I'm expecting the price to go sideways, and then there's also a lot of liquidity building on 116, 117. If we look the chart on 3-day time frame, liquidity heat map on 3-day time frame, you can see there is a lot of liquidity building around 116, 500. So there might be a chance. Also, there is a lot of liquidity building below the price, but that below liquidity is not that much as compared to the above liquidity. So there is a possible chance that price could go sideways, grab both sides of the liquidities. If we look into the BTC ETF inflows, you can see on the 13th of October, we have seen a lot of outflows, around about $326 million worth of outflows were seen. But on 14th, the last day, the inflows are now starting to be positive. Same scenario with the price of with the ETF of Ethereum. You can see a lot of selling in Ethereum ETF, especially the BlackRock. On 13th of October, BlackRock sold $310 million worth of ETFs. Selling ETF means they are directly selling the ETH. We also need to watch the RSI heat map. RSI heat map is showing like most of the coins, they are on the neutral levels and heading towards the strong level, uh, regardless of the prices, regardless of the structure. This indicates that the price, if the price is oversold or weak in this region, it's oversold, and in this region, that is like weak and oversold. So now in this region, the price is neutral, and this is the average RSI. BTC is below average RSI. Once the BTC closes above average RSI and get control over its strength, in that scenario, we are going to see other altcoins moving very faster. In order to get the alt season, like I have seen a comment in which someone was asking for the alt season, you need to understand that BTC dominance is playing a vital role in the alt season. If the BTC dominance needs to continue higher and then it needs to dump back, like here from 64 to 60, in this region we have seen the altcoins pumping hard, and this scenario needs to repeat again to get the alt season. Or in other scenario, if I tell you like BTC needs to make all-time high again and then needs to dump back, and in that scenario, altcoins, there will be again a portion or week or days in which altcoins will perform better than BTC. Talking about altcoins, Solana is performing very good as compared to ETH and other XRP, SUI, Uni, ADA. Solana is performing very good and holding the levels. Right now, it's in between 201 to 205. Uh, and above that, there is resistance as 215. We are below this line. Obviously, this is very important and crucial point of for the price of Solana. Solana needs to get back immediately in the coming days to get its to gain its strength back, and in order to get higher rates and higher prices, and to in order to get all-time highs. Talking about Ethereum, now we are last day we closed above this support level, and right now we are breaking below this level, but in my opinion, 8 will perform better. And also there is one more thing for the alt season, is that ETH needs to go above this level, this previous level, and make an all-time high in order to achieve the alt season. So if you're looking for, if you're an altcoin trader, uh, I suggest keep your leverages low, as many of the traders were liquidated in the last dump. That was very brutal, and 14 or $15 billion worth of liquidation I've seen in a single day. This is the biggest liquidation in the history of crypto. And you guys need to be very careful while using the leverages, while trading the altcoins. Well, this is all for today. Now, what we are looking for is that today the BTC should not break this level, and it should continue higher, make a higher high in order to get this level. And then obviously there is a resistance at 117 and 119. So once BTC closes above this point, this will not be a difficult task for BTC to achieve. Uh, as you can see on this chart, BTC just tapped the CME thrice. Uh, like on the dump day, BTC just hit this CME gap. CME gap is filled. Most of the liquidity is already taken, and there is no reason to go back to the lower prices. Now everything is settled down. Trump is saying that trade war is still going on. That could be one of the reason. Trade war with China. That could be one of the reason. And yes, you need to watch gold. Gold is making all-time highs, and obviously that's not a good sign for the stocks and crypto. That will cause a dump in the future. So need to be very careful at these levels. This is all for today. I hope you like the video. Stay tuned for another update. I have a very important news. I will share with you guys in the next video. And please do subscribe and like the channel. And please share with your friends as well. Thank you for watching.